What's up guys, it's LH Low Tech and we're doing a quick unboxing of the Massdrop Vast 35-inch curved gaming monitor. So this is the first monitor offered by Massdrop, which normally doesn't sell its own products. However, they do have this one. It's pretty much like an unbranded monitor that they bought and are repackaging and selling. And 35 inches, 3440 by 1440, 100 hertz. Most of the bells and whistles like FreeSync, doesn't support G-Sync. There are plenty of other reviews out there, but this is the first retail units going out, so let's give it an open. One thing I did want to note about the box, this is obviously just the box it shipped in, but it says open side, do not lie flat. I don't know how they want me to open it on the side if it's not lying flat. Maybe it's standing up inside the box. I'll regret having it laying down on the side right now in just a second. But for now, I'm gonna open it on its side and ignore the small box. Display cable, power cable, screws, and a screwdriver. I'm guessing that's maybe for the base mount. Here is the mount. It is made of metal. It's a fairly large desiccate package. And the monitor. So definitely a no frills box. Let me see. I think the manual was just something printed out on a sheet of paper over there. There we go. It did pass the QA, which is good. There was a few hiccups in their quality assurance process, apparently, that caused a little bit of a delay, as well as shipping, because obviously this came from China originally. So stand does go 90 degrees. Flipping this over. Ports on the side. It has 3 HDMI ports and a display port, as well as a headphone jack. Power on this side, nothing else there. Let's flip this over. Ugh. And there we go. So this is brushed metal all the way around. The screen is matte, which is awesome. If you want a glossy screen, this is not it. But I prefer matte, so it's fine. The only thing I do kind of wish that it did have internal speakers. It doesn't, just so I had something available in a pinch, but it's not too big of an issue. $5.99 for if you had already bought it. They're probably going to sell it again, probably for at least $100 more. We'll see if they actually can give you $5.99 again. I wouldn't feel cheated if they did it for $5.99 again, but maybe they will not have as many available, so they have to do more cost. This is going to be my main monitor going forward, so if you have any questions about it, there are plenty of reviews out there, but I just wanted to show everybody what kind of stuff comes with the box, and it's really not too much. It's just this. So there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. This is LH Low Tech. This has been a quick unboxing of the Massdrop Vast 35-inch gaming monitor. Subscribe.